Look, you've got to come and see it. You've got to come and see us. We love to see you all. Whether you're tourists just visiting, come. You'll never see this anywhere else. You're just so proud that it's being carried on by your Kaumatua. You know, they're not over the hill. They're pretty darn good, and they love it.
Don't miss this rare opportunity to watch Kaumatua from all around the motu, performing songs from iconic Māori composers like Kohine Ponika, Suapirana Ngata and Kingi Tahiwi.
He whakaora me ki, i ngā krou e ngā kuia. He whakaora hoki, a rātou weiata, a rātou haka. Koeira te atahua tēnei kaupapa.
So join us at Te Papa on Saturday, July 11th from 10:30am till 3:30pm and Sunday, July 12th from 10am till 3pm. You can also tune in via the internet. Kaumatua Kapa Haka will be streamed live both days. Just go to our website www.tepapa.govt.nz/kapahaka.
On the internet, just make sure you're comfortable, you have a lot of tissues there beside you, and just enjoy the emotion. Just let it hang out. If you're going to tangi, then do it and enjoy it.